guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a UniWigs wig review. So I have worked with UniWigs in the past. They have sent me 2 synthetic wigs to review, and I've also bought a human hair wig from them a couple of years ago. So today they have kindly offered to send me a human hair wig to review, and I'm super excited to try it out and show you guys. So yeah, just get on with the video. Okay, so I've got the wig here that at the moment I have put it into a different box that I've got sent from UniWigs in the past, because the box that it got delivered in got really badly damaged, and obviously that's not UniWigs' fault, just a lot of the parcels that I receive somehow end up getting really badly damaged. It's almost like somebody has stamped on it, that's how bad it got. So I've put it into this box just because it's easier to store. So the wig that I am reviewing is the Perfection wig from UniWigs, and obviously I will show you a close-up on the bed so you guys can see the cap construction, but this is a full lace human hair wig. So when you open it up, the wig comes in the net and you have the tissue to make sure that the wig stays safe and secure in the box. So obviously you've got the wig, and you also get sent a bag to keep it in. Now I actually love this bag. I have never been sent a bag like this to keep a wig in. Usually you get like a silk one, but this one is like a felt and it's so soft, so that's going to be extremely handy to store wigs in. You also get a little bag with the adjustable strap in the back. So the wig will have adjustable straps, but if you want extra security you can sew this band on the back. I've seen people do it before, I've never personally done it, but from what I've heard it adds extra security. And you also get sent little clips just to add extra security if you've got your own hair underneath. You do also get 2 wig caps with the wig. I don't personally wear them, but if you need extra comfort underneath the wig, or if you have hair of your own that you just want to lay flat, they are super handy. So you get 2 in this little bag here. And the next thing you get will be your little guide on how to look after the wig, or what happens if you want to exchange the wig. Little information pack there. And you also get the returns label, so if you do have any problems with the wig, you have got the option to send it back. So the colour of this wig is a dark root with caramel type highlights through it, I guess. The overall colour is probably a medium brown, but it has got a lot of different colours through it, which just makes it look very realistic. I will show you guys by the window too, so you can see this in natural light, and obviously I will show you the cap construction on the bed. Okay guys, so I've put the wig onto the bed so you guys can see the cap construction, and obviously you can see the colour a little bit better over here too. But on the inside, the wig has the adjustable straps. I got mine in a petite cap size because I do have a small head, and obviously I'm not fitting any hair underneath it, so the smaller cap size does work better for me. You also have these little grips here, which are like the extension grips, so they're going to keep a very tight grip on the wig. You also have the normal slide clips. You've got 2 here and 1 at the back, and you have 2 of those little snap grips as well, so that's going to keep it extremely secure to your head. And if, like me, you don't have hair and you want to remove them, they are fairly easy to remove. It's just a couple of stitches that you need to unplug. I will write what colour the wig is on the screen right now, the colour code for this wig. This wig is 130% density, it is 18 inches in length, the cap size is petite, and the cap construction is full lace. The knots on this wig have not been bleached, but you could do that yourself because the wig is human hair. So I will show you a close-up of the knots. So as you can see, the lace colour is perfect. It's transparent, so it's going to look extremely natural, but you are going to probably have to hide the knots. You can either do this with makeup or you can bleach them. I am going to be bleaching the knots of this, so I may film a little video on that if it will be helpful. But yeah, let's pop the wig on. Okay, so I've got the wig on and I absolutely adore the colour of this wig. The like natural highlights that it's got going through it make it look extremely realistic, and obviously, like I said, it's got the dark root, so it just looks very real looking. So I am gonna cut the lace on this wig now, and I'm going to probably straighten the wig. So I do really like the curls in it, but I want to straighten it so you guys get an accurate look at what the length is like. So like I say in my other videos, to cut the lace I literally just go straight up the top and then down either side, and I'm just going to do that in my mirror so that I can see what I'm doing, and I will come back and show you guys the look. Okay, so quickly before I pop the wig back on my head, I am going to do the foundation trick. So like I said, I am planning on bleaching the knots of this wig, but just for the time being, applying foundation onto a dense brush, pat it in, and then just apply it to the inside of the cap. So what I like to do is pop my finger where the parting is so I can see exactly the knots that I want to be concealing. The knots look far more concealed with the foundation underneath. Okay, so I am now just going to quickly straighten the hair so you guys can see exactly how long it is. And although I do like the curls, I do tend to wear my wigs either straight or with a bit more of like a defined curl. This is more of just like a wave, so I'm going to just carry on and straighten it through. Obviously, because this is human hair, you can use any temperature on it, so I am using my GHDs just to quickly straighten through. As you can see already, just by straightening it, you get a lot more length to the wig than when it's got that wave to it. So like I said, this wig is 18 inches and it is 130% density, so I find that works quite well. You don't get too much thickness on the top, which really helps to make the wig look more natural. Okay, so I've just roughly straightened the wig. Obviously it's not perfect because I've just done it quickly, but this is more so just to show you guys the actual length of the wig. So the hair itself is super soft, and like I said, I absolutely adore the colour of it because it just looks so natural. My only thing is, I'm going to say, they haven't really plucked the hairline of this wig. You will have to pluck it yourself if you want that thinner sections to the front of the hair, which just can make the wig look more natural overall. But I absolutely love this wig. I feel like it's going to be my sort of everyday wig because I always wear human hair wigs as like my everyday wig anyway, and yeah, I'm just super happy. So also, because this wig is a full lace wig, you can switch around the parting. I have just kind of left it in the middle, but like I kind of did earlier, you can definitely push it over to the side, or however you like to wear your wigs. You definitely have full range with it. Again, like I said, you probably will have to bleach the knots or conceal them with makeup if you are going to move the parting around. But yeah, overall I'm just super happy with this wig. But yeah, that is basically it, guys. So I would definitely recommend this wig, and if you are looking for a human hair option, UniWigs always have discounts and sales on, definitely for certain parts of the year. I imagine there will be some sort of deal for Christmas, and they have just had a really big Black Friday sale, so always keep an eye out for that as well. But if they haven't got a sale, I do have a discount code down in the description bar. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.